another One Monroe Minute. Today we're going to be looking at the process of metal stamping, some of its uses and applications. Metal stamping involves the use of a press machine equipped with dies, which are specifically designed tools that shape and cut the metal. The metal sheet is placed between the dies, and pressure is applied to form or cut the metal into a desired shape. Metal stamping can be performed on various metals, including steel, aluminum, brass, copper, and stainless steel. The material selection depends on the specific application and the requirements of the part being produced. Some of the advantages of metal stamping are the high production rates, accuracy, and cost effectiveness for large volume manufacturing. Additionally, it can be easily automated for increased efficiency. Tooling and die design are critical aspects of metal stamping. The dies are custom made to match the desired part's shape and specifications. The design process handles material thickness, part complexity, tolerances, and production volume. Metal stamping is used in the production of medical equipment and devices. Examples include surgical instruments, brackets, and components for diagnostic and imaging equipment. They're also used in the power generation industry to manufacture components for generators, turbines, and transformers, as well as in the aerospace industry for structural parts. Metal stamping is employed in the defense and military sectors for producing components such as ammunition casings, firearm and vehicle parts, as well as mounts. To learn more about metal stampings and how they can be used in your applications, be sure to reach out to one of our sales engineers. Thanks for watching this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the future, and we'll see you next time with another One Monroe Minute.